18 here, bringing you guys with my custom Spider-Man. This is his dark blue suit from the older Spider-Man from, I want to say, at least 2002, probably a little newer than that, so maybe 2004. And I really like the suit design that Lego had made the older Spider-Man based on the movie. So I did my best to do my own custom. Yes, there's a lot missing from it to make it look like the old Spider-Man minifigure, but if you're wondering if you already saw this video, I'm redoing this because with my iPad, as much as I really enjoy doing the intro and having a nice stable video, the problem is, guys, I can't get a nice close-up of the minifigures, and I love getting the close-up because I don't know, it's no fun watching when the minifigure's so far away and you can barely see him. So, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and hit that like button and leave some epic comments.